Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change and adjust activity profiles on Garmin Edge 540. First of all, on the home screen of our device, we're going to have to select the first blue tile simply by highlighting it and pressing the Option key. Now, if you want to customize one of the existing profiles like road, indoor, and mountain, you simply have to highlight the activity profile that you want to customize and press this button. After that, to change the screens, activity screens, you're gonna have to navigate to the screen that you want to change and hold down this Option key. So now you can rearrange your tiles on a selected screen. So you just select the tile you want to rearrange, you press Options, and you select a different tile and press Options key once again. Okay. Now, if you want to create your own activity profile, you have to select activity profiles, scroll down to create new. Then you're gonna have to select either copy existing or create from template. So let's create from template. And now let's, for example, select gravel for gravel bike. Okay, then we can customize the name. And when we're ready, we have to navigate to this icon and press Option key. Then we can change the data screens for it. As you can see, we can add new data screens. We can rearrange the existing ones. To rearrange your data screens, you have to navigate to the three-dot icon in the top right corner and select reorder. And then rearrange them by selecting the screen that you want to place somewhere and moving it somewhere and leaving it here. Okay. Now we can also change the ride type. Well, since it's gravel mode, then the gravel ride is the most logical option. We can enable or disable the segments. We can change clamps, alerts, and prompts. We can adjust the timer, settings, nutrition and hydration reminders, and tracking. We can change the units of measure for everything pretty much. So there is a lot of things that we can do. We can customize the map view, we can customize the routing, navigation prompts, and everything is done in pretty much the way I explained to you earlier. We can also adjust the satellite systems, which I think is very important. You just select them and select the GPS locator based on your preference. So as you can see, each of them has a short description, like multi GNSS multi-band will give you best accuracy. However, the GPS will give you the best battery life. And when you are ready to create this new profile, you navigate to apply profile and click options. But of course, you can change it later in the same menu. And yeah, as I showed you before, but I didn't explain it, in order to select a different activity profile, you simply have to highlight it and press the Option key. And this will switch you to this selected profile. And now if we return back to the home screen, we'll see the active profile right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.